It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 29th of May. I'm Michael Groff. A warming trend in here for the rest of the week and into the weekend. Temperatures going way above average as we get set to roll into the crux of our long, hot summer here in the valley. Let's talk about it. First, we'll start by looking at the almanac yesterday. Speaking of hot, at least we weren't in Minneapolis, St. Paul, where they hit 100 yesterday. We were just a cool, crisp 98 by comparison after a morning low of 71. And outside right now, here at 5:15 a.m., a few high clouds in the valley. And we start this day out at 75 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 41, humidity 29%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, 64 degrees, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. Most of us here in the metro are in the 70s. The upper air look, we've got a short wave passing north of Arizona. The other big feature on the map is our subtropical depression Alberto, now located over central Alabama. That's bringing plenty of rain to the southeast U.S. As a result, on the watch warning map, we see those flash flood watches, a few warnings from Alabama to Georgia, the Carolinas, Tennessee, Kentucky. And that system will continue to slowly traverse to the north over the next several days. Elsewhere around the nation, a few air quality issues for Dallas, Houston, Minneapolis, St. Paul. Here in Arizona, we have a fire weather watch in the northern part of the state. The combination of breezy to locally windy conditions over the next couple of days and low humidity sets the stage for a very high fire danger. And we'll see that throughout at least the next month or so until the monsoon arrives. Taking a peek at the convective outlook for today, an enhanced risk of severe storms around Hutchinson, Salina, and Wichita, Kansas. The slight risk for the adjacent states there, as well as across parts of Minnesota and North Dakota. We've got a marginal risk in the southeast associated with Alberto. A few spin-up tornadoes possible there, but that's obviously the secondary risk. The primary risk being the very heavy rain. Speaking of heavy rain, nothing like that around here. This map likely to stay blank for the next 4 or 5 weeks. With no rain in the valley, nothing statewide. We'll break it down, though, for you. Talk about our weather in more detail as we take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is our upper chart at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. A generally dry west and southwest flow aloft today, and down at the surface, that just means mostly sunny skies. High temperatures 101 to 104. Tonight, mostly clear, lows mainly mid-60s to mid-70s. And then tomorrow, got a shortwave trough that'll begin to pass north of Arizona for the middle part of the week. And that means breezy to locally windy conditions in Southern California, northern Arizona. Maybe a slight breeze here out of the southwest and west between 5 to 15 miles per hour this tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures again 100 to 103. Thursday, I'd say 98 to 101 for our highs with the southwest west wind, 8 to 20 miles an hour. Stronger gusts possible across Southern California and northern Arizona. Friday, highs 100 to 103. Saturday, the flow aloft begins to flatten out across the northern tier states, a more zonal flow there, and that allows the subtropical ridge across Mexico to expand northward over the southern plains and into the southwest states. So high temperatures begin the warming trend. Will be, I'd say, 101 to 104 Saturday, 103 to 106 on Sunday. Could see highs getting up to around 105 to 108 on Monday. And then a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 5th of June. Still got the 591 ridge there over northeast Mexico and expanding into the southern plains. Upper heights still around 588 decameters here, so high temperatures right around 104 to 107 with a pretty impressive trough over the Pacific Northwest, and that's keeping temperatures from getting any warmer than that. Here's Wednesday, the 6th of June. Still looks like pretty much the same old story, and then the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday, the 7th. 594 ridge centered across Oklahoma and Texas, and very hot temperatures for the southern and central plain states. Here in the southwest will still be pretty warm as well. Highs likely to be in the 106 to 110 range for most of us. All right, let's check the temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble through the period, and you see high temperatures staying pretty much above average. But isn't this about what you'd expect for early to mid-June here in Phoenix? That's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have yourselves a terrific Tuesday.